Happening right now, Midland Health Services is reporting its first case of the West Nile virus this year. We're also told that some mosquitoes caught in traps in Midland County also tested positive for the disease. News West 9's Cameron Leal is here to break this all down and share some tips on what you can do to help keep yourself safe.
Yes, Alex, I spoke to one health professional who says while most people infected with West Nile never show symptoms, it's still important to take precautions. I visited Wadley Park today where mosquitoes are common this time of year to show just how easy it is to protect yourself and explain why this virus isn't like the others we've dealt with before. Mosquitoes in Midland County have tested positive for the West Nile virus, the first confirmed case of the year. And while the risk of serious illness is rare, health officials say even one infected mosquito could trigger many more.
If we use repellent, especially now that we are in summer, where we all want to be outside, but try to use the mosquito repellent, because even though if it is just one case, imagine how much can this case to multiply.
The city of Midland places traps across the county, and the Texas Department of State Health Services tests those samples for disease. That's how officials confirmed the presence of the virus this week. But unlike COVID or the flu, West Nile doesn't spread person to person.
What makes this one particular is that it needs the vector, it needs the mosquito. It cannot jump from me to you or to the viewer or anybody else. It has to go through the mosquito and then it gets to the person.
And the places they breed, not where you think.
They don't like a lake, they don't like a river, they don't like a large amount of water. They like a little tiny bit of water, like for instance the one that goes inside a tire that you have in your backyard.
Now I know bug spray can be a big hassle, but here's the thing. 8 in 10 people won't even show the symptoms if they have the Nile infection, but the 1 in 5 that do may show symptoms of fever, headaches, body aches, or even vomiting. And if symptoms do hit, Dr. Alamo says one of the best treatments doesn't come from a pharmacy.
And I cannot stress this enough, hydration. Once you get a little bit sick, patients forget about drinking water. I'm gonna make up a number. You have 10,000 virus in you. And if you have this and you drink a lot of water, you dilute this amount of viruses.
And other recommendations?
Try to be inside. If we're inside, we don't have mosquitoes. If we are going to be outside, please use the repellent. That is the easiest way to say to stay safe.
The city of Midland is expected to speak out tomorrow alongside health officials to address the confirmed West Nile cases and what comes next. Meanwhile, Dr. Alamo encourages everyone to stay hydrated, use bug repellent, and to avoid standing water, saying prevention is still our strongest defense.